Okay, so here's the thing. Yes, so I'm talking about U.S. only because we have people on this group from different countries. Just so you know, I'm talking about U.S. only. I have no knowledge about other countries. Okay, so first disclaimer, right? So here in a state that they have a law that forbids all of these milk producers, all of the farms, to add some milk from the other animals. You understand? So original concern that the milk was forbidden, milk from a non-Jew was forbidden, and we're going to get it on Tuesday. I should believe that. That's one of the subjects that we're going to discuss on Tuesday. The foods from a non-Jew, right? It was forbidden. Why? Because in olden days, you must remember, there were no refrigerators. So what these non-Jewish people do, right? They would add the milk of non-kosher animals from a horse, from a camel. So a camel's milk is very, very fat. So and this time people did not know cholesterol, no cholesterol, right? So they would the fatter the food, the better, the better quality. So and these non-Jews would add and this camel milk and horse milk. That's what I know for sure. Maybe donkey milk also. I'm not sure 100% donkey milk. So it's good for preservation. So meaning this milk can stay fresher for a long time. That's what they did, non-Jews, and that's why it's one of the decrees of the sages said juice from a non milk from a non-Jew is forbidden, unless Jew was on the premises and he was supervising the whole process. Maybe he would be able to come and go, but as long as this non-Jew would be afraid the Jew can come in and see him mixing other milk, there is no problem. And if there is no non-kosher animals around, so if he has he's in barn, and in his barn he has donkey, and he has she donkey, of course, and he has this cow, and he milk cow, and Jew come and go, not good. You cannot eat this milk, right? Why? Because maybe he mixed some donkey milk into it, right? So that's the thing. Since it is a governmental prohibition, and they if going to, like now it's not the point. They add this chemical, and this milk can go like for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, right? I used to work in a company, so our secretary ordered the milk. I don't remember like what kind of milk, and I saw the expiration day. It's like 7 months from now. I say, you normal? Like it's chemical. It's not the milk. It's poison. 7 months this milk can go fresh, can stay fresh. You normal? So usually milk, if somebody ever dealt with normal milk, after 2 days, it's bad. Like unless you boil it, right? So if it can stay 7 months, so that's not good. So today they do other preservatives. It's cheaper. They don't have to contain the animal, the forbidden animal, and that's it. So technically, if you only have access to the milk without in US, I'm talking about US, without a stamp that is a kosher, okay, yeah, you can eat it, you can drink it. So, but very often you can get with kosher with a stamp, right? Or okay, something like we used to travel all over the country. We've been to different states, and always we find these kosher products.